How to change your name on LinkedIn. Hello and welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on changing your name on LinkedIn. So do watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch any web browser on your device and with the help of search bar, type in linkedin.com and by searching it, you will land on the official interface of LinkedIn where you have to sign in to your account. After that, you will land on the home page of LinkedIn. Now, click the Me button at top right corner of the screen. Click View Profile button. Once you land on this interface, you will see the pencil-like icon in order to edit at top right corner of the screen. Click on it and here you will see all your intro page or the intro information where you can easily select the first name and last name as well as add the additional name. You can delete this first name and last name and enter the other name and click on the save button. After a while, your name will be changed on LinkedIn. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.